Hello and welcome to Naila's kitchen. Today we'll be making hot cinnamon flavored coffee. It's very simple and easy to make at home. So try this recipe at home and you will surely love it if you are a coffee lover. So let's begin the recipe. For this recipe we need 1 tablespoon coffee powder, 1 tablespoon jaggery powder. I am not using sugar. 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon powder, little water to mix everything together. Here I am using normal water. So just mix all the ingredients together. And now we will add hot milk. You can sprinkle some cinnamon powder on top. So the cinnamon coffee is ready to drink. Isn't it looking lovely? Mix it properly and it is ready to drink. So if you like this recipe, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.